Alright guys, it's been a minute. I'm gonna go check on the bees, see if we need to add another box. I mean, it's been, oh heck, I don't know, 6 days or so since I last checked. Maybe had a couple frames in there, but they are everywhere today. They're getting stuff done. Alright, let's see. Let's see how we're doing. Lots of bees stuck here, eh? The wrong size of mesh going on here. Yeah, wrong size mesh. Oh wow, there's been a colony explosion. Yes, sir. There is definitely an explosion in colony. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Whew. Even what we got stuck on the lid. I mean, look at those bees. All right, on. We need another box, I think. We're going to find out. Real quick here. Stay way out of my ears, girls. Out of my ears. Come on. Holy, there's so much warmth in here. There's got to be a lot of brood because it's warm in there. Holy. Come on, girls. Come on. Way out. What do we got here? Tons of storage. Tons of nectar all in there. Tons and tons of it. It's heavy frame. Oh yeah. That is all nectar right there. Yeah. All nectar. Everything's looking good. Put that and hold it. Alright. Let's see how many frames of brood we got in here. Yeah, I got lots of larvae in here. I would say we're seeing 5-day-old larvae, 4-day-old larvae. Not capped. We're still feeding it. I'm gonna see if I can mark my queen today. I'm gonna try to. See if I can find her. Speaking of which, that makes me wanna go get my stuff here. Let's go get my pen. Back in a minute. I got my queen marker. Holder so I can dab her. And my paint pen. I know blue is the color for 2025. She's not a 2025 queen, but blue is all I got. All right, let's see if we can find her now. Yeah, more larvae. Lots of larvae. Looking for a queen. Really like to mark her. That would be cool. The first time I ever marked a queen. So I'm going to try and find her today. Man, these guys are just covering that brood, keeping it warm. Oh yeah. A couple day olds. Got pollen. Got day old eggs. She might be on here. Oh, all cap brood. All capped. Day old eggs. Looking for a queen. Come on, where are you? There we got 7 day old larvae in here ready to be capped. Good new stuff. Looking for a queen. We got some cells at the bottom. Empty cells though. Some brood. There's some drone cells. No queen. More cat brood. More 7 day old larvae. More cat brood. Lots of cat brood. Show girls. Fully cat brood. Oh. This off. Very cold at the bottom. That. And white bird comb on the bottom. So the frame is put together. What's we got here? Oh, this one's heavy. That's all drone going, I think. Sure looks like drones to me. Whole thing of drones. Yeah, says drone on it. We're gonna get rid of that once these guys hatch out. Yeah, drone. Keep my frames clean. Yeah, we need a new box. We need another box. Way too cool. Need another box. They need more room. Oh, that's all nectar. Nectar. Alright, well, we didn't see the queen this time. I'm not going to go into the lower box. We know she's here. It's a little chilly out today, so we're going to make it quick. Alright, I am going to give us another box. I like to push them all at once. Keep your stuff. Got a little excited there. We got a little excited. Got a warning. Got a warning. Don't blow on us. We don't like it. Alright. We are going to throw another box on.